Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the lower freezer basket in a Frigidaire refrigerator. It's going to be very easy repair, should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new lower freezer basket. This lower freezer basket is located at the bottom of the freezer compartment. The most common reason to replace the lower freezer basket is if it cracks and no longer stays in place. To get to the part, we need to open the freezer door. To remove the lower freezer basket, we just simply slide it out. This is the old lower freezer basket next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. We're going to install the new lower freezer basket by placing its rear portion onto the rails, and we're going to slide it in. And now when we're done, we can close the door. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.